kitchen yma. Oedd y pryfedyn yn cwmpo off y llawr ac yn diffod. Pryfedyn oedd e, sy'n chi'n gallu ddylaf ar ei cwmpo ar y llaw. Oedd e'n dod sbwrtyn bech o rhywbeth o ola. A hwnnw oedd yn dangos y gola.
Pam bydde ti'n dod yn ffilmo?
Wel, enrhoddiad. Ond nhw'n cytu bod yw ysbryd drwg nhw. Wel, dyna yn y dyddiad ni.
Beth oedd yr enw nhw? Beth oedd nhw'n galw ar golau nhw?
Jagalanta.
Ie.
Dyna yr enw.
Ie,
Oedd ein gwarad Cymrysgon. A ddoi nhw. A beth oedd yr enw angen y Saeson ar amser ni, fi ddim yn gwybod.
Na. O, pam oedd Oban gweld cadw'r corff as Oban te?
Wel, oedd a dim ond rhywbeth yn bod o un chwedlang fel mynd o fathlu ac o'n nhw'n credyn yn ni. Ond nhw ddim digon beth o'n nhw'n gwneud a cytsio a brydyn neu sy'n nhw cytsio a brydyn a dyla pryfedyn yn gwybod y llaw nhw a dyna oedd y pryfedyn oedd sy'n ddysgwyro ar y llaw nhw. Oes am wela sy'n nhw ar bain os o'n nhw'n gwybod beth o'n ac pryfedyn oedd aen neu rhywbeth carwyr o'r un beth enw ar Philip Palaw a Batargla a perthyn yr un beth enw am neb.
Ie. O, fi'n sôn bod fi wedi bod i dystell yn wedi.
Ia.
Beth o'ch chi'n gweud oedd yr adar weloch chi eraill rhwng hynny? Weloch chi ryw adar na, tyfe?
O, y Pywyn. Dyna ti'n gweles na'r lle diwedda wedi gweld Pywyn. Of course, wedi gweld Pywyns bod shows y adarn. Ddau cadw nhw. A o clas y gallai cael ei ddangos o'r peacocks, Pywyn. Ond dyw e ddim yn ddiarys.
Well, we're in the only shaft in Tower Colliery. The Tower Colliery had a shaft here in the 1830s. Because we moved so far in 150 years, they could no longer get to the coal by using the drift. So they sank the shaft just at the end of the war. So this shaft then would then take the men to the place of work. Coal would still come out 2 miles away up the drift. So this was access for the workers, and of course, if ever we had injuries in the ground, this is the way the doctors would come down. We still use drams at this end, but not for rising coal, for taking the feed down for the horses, for taking the straw down for the horses, and if ever we've got to bring the horses up, either for illness or for a holiday, we bring them up here in the shaft. This is the shaft, double-decker. Top deck and bottom deck. I knew people underground by their voices. A long time before I could actually get to them, I knew them by their voices. You're underground, you're talking. You can't see them. You're talking, having jokes. Oh, my daughter didn't come in till late last night, because you always get. It's a long time to be together underground. You will talk about how the night has gone in the family, happy, talk with your wife. But the magic was, you would also talk about being a trade unionist. Because you had so much time. You know, you could have so many different conversations, sports, soccer, papers, because you had time. You were working hard, but you could speak to the guy 3 or 4 yards from you. You know, you don't see their faces. Sometimes you see their white teeth, right? But their voices become so important to you. You know, it's as you recognize them.